So this week I'm talking to you about karma. What is it and how can you absolutely use it to make your life way better? So first, what is it? Well, it's as simple as the saying goes, what you sow, you shall reap. So the actions that you take in life will come back to you. If you lie, you'll be lied to. If you cheat, you'll be cheated upon. If you do negative stuff will keep coming back at you. And the same as if you do great stuff will come back. Now it's tenfold. That's the great thing about karma, or not, depending on what your actions are. But it comes back 10 times greater. So if you do good stuff, it's going to come back way better, right? Now here's the thing you must understand. All of the gurus that have ever lived tell us all the time that life is eternal. You come here time and time and time again in different bodysuits. And what happens in each lifetime is that you generate either good karma or negative karma with certain people. That's why when you come here, you will meet the people that you're supposed to meet in this lifetime. You absolutely will. And that's why when you meet certain people, there's such an amazing energy between you because you've got karma from before. And other people, you know just by hearing their name, even before you've met them, that you're not going to like them. And yet some of these people just stay in your life. You can't seem to get rid of them. Right? Because you've got to play karma out, because you must bring karma into balance. That's what's playing you all the time, every lifetime. You've got to bring the whole thing into balance. And without you realizing, your soul is assisting you to do that. It's generating situations all the time so that you can heal the karma from other lifetimes. That's why sometimes when people are wrongly accused and end up in prison, that they're playing karma. I would imagine that's what's actually happening. They're playing karma from before. So if you know that now, you've got to remember, don't even pinch the small towel from the hotel because it'll come back 10 times. 10 of your towels are going to get swiped from your house. I don't know how it works, but for sure, if you know that what I do every single time will generate a response from life. It's a universal law. This is not like anything that's been man-made. This is a universal law because you are a creative being and your energy system needs to be in balance all the time. That's why karma is always playing you. So if you know that if I do good deeds, then good stuff's going to come back 10 times. Then obviously from now on you need to be thinking, if I do this, how will it affect my environment? How will it affect the people that are going to be affected by my actions? And when you do this, life will just completely get better and better and better. The two areas, as you know, where the biggest challenges come up are with money and with love. Money is illusionary in that you won't take it with you, but it's a real phenomena here, right? Of course it is, because you've got to deal with it. So look, if you're tight with money, now being tight and careful are different. I'm not saying be flippant with your money and when you haven't got any and just throw it away and spend all your cash on your credit card that you don't have. That's being stupid. But if you're tight when you could be open with the amount of money you have, if you're being tight, tight will show up. It won't come easy because your energy system is tight, right? So you need to open and allow energy to flow in and flow out. Similarly with love. If you want love in your life, be open with your kindness, with your joy, with your happiness. Be open with your love. Be forgiving with your love. Really be forgiving. If you work on forgiveness so that your heart opens and you feel great, the great thing about forgiveness, as I've said in previous video, is that you feel great when you do it, your heart opens. So if you work on forgiveness and open your heart so you become more loving in more situations, the love will come back 10 times. That's the thing we really need. You've been trained to think that money is the thing you really need. Don't get me wrong, I know you need it in this reality. But the thing that makes everything better is love, always. So the number one priority is learn to be more loving in every situation that you can, every single one of them, because you will benefit tenfold. And secondly, if you want more money in your life, be more open with money. Be more kind with it to the best of your ability with the amount that you have. But be open. Don't be tight with yourself. Open and give to yourself. Okay? So karma is simply giving out greatness. Well, it works in both ways. If you give out negativity, that will come back too. But if you know this, remember this every day with all of your choices. Giving out good, giving out love will absolutely make your life unbelievably better. Unbelievably better. So try it for a week until the next week's video. In fact, try it forever. So that's it for today. That's it for this week. Have an absolutely fantastic week. If you would like to subscribe to my videos, please do that. It's down there somewhere. If you like this video, if it's helped you at all, please give me the thumbs up. Have a great week, and I look forward to talking to you again next time. Thank you so much.